Founded in 2003, Shanghai Xisi Nonwoven's Products Company Limited is a high-technology enterprise specialized in the research, development and production of cleaning and daily care chemical products in dry sheet type, such as laundry detergent sheets, color catcher sheets, fabric softener dryer sheets, etc. The sales of Xisi products are growing fast in the global market. The annual sales volume is over 300 million sheets. The Shanghai Xisi company expanded its dust-free workshops area to 30,000 square meters in 2012 and built a complete production chain by continuously introducing the world's most advanced automated production equipment. The company has been committed to producing low-carbon, green, degradable sheets cleaning products for many years and has obtained 26 international certifications, such as European BSCI, RoHS, SDS, ISO 9001, and 76 international invention patents. Adhering to the principle of quality is the life of an enterprise. The company strictly controls every inspection in the production process, ensuring that products delivered to customers are perfect. Xisi company has provided OEM and OBM services for world well-known brands, and their products have been sold in international chain supermarkets. Xisi have worked with more than 70% of the overseas cooperation channels by 2015. The development of Xisi global supply system was accelerated with its USA branch established in 2016. This helps the company improve its global supplying ability and introduce the brand Xisi to the world. Xisi, the leader of low-carbon cleaning and sheet washing era.